Alright, so I got a 2018 I forgot how you pronounce it though. It's called Tucson Value all-wheel drive. I like it so far. I've just drove 2 of them. I did the turbo and the non-turbo model. This is the turbo model, so it comes in white. Nice little sport wheels. Those are 19-inch wheels. Like those wheels, you got your front fascia. You got your LED strip that comes on right here. You got the fog lights down here, which are pretty nice. I like the fog lights when you're driving during the day. They're pretty bright. So, and then you got headlight right there, turn signal. Turn signal, high beams. The grill is okay. I'm not a crazy fan of the grill, but it looks good. The new grills look better than the old ones, I'll say. So, on the mirrors, you got the turn signals on the mirrors. Like those, that's a nice addition to any car. So, all right, so jump inside real quick. So you can lock and unlock the car from both sides. I didn't know that either. You can unlock the car from both sides. Two-tone interior, so you got the dark gray up top, you got the light gray in the middle. This doesn't have the automatic windows on both sides, just one side. Got the gray cloth seats. This does come with Bluetooth, all that good stuff. Everything you pretty much need. Push button start. I'll show you guys the key fob. This is the key fob. So Hyundai, lock, unlock. You hold this button to open the trunk. It's a 2018 Hyundai Tucson is how they pronounce it. Tucson. So don't say Tuscan, it's Tucson. The C is silent. Alright, so let's go on the driver's side real quick. I want to show y'all the dash on the driver's side. Alright, so this is the driver's side setup. You got, let's start it real quick. So that's the dash setup right there. It's, you know, still analog with a little digital screen in the middle. You know, your average car, so you know, I like it. It's not too bad. So you don't buy one of these for speed or anything. This is a nice little family SUV. It's nice. It's real comfortable. The seats are nice. The seats got a nice little bolster
The contacts right download is starting.
Oh, my bad, y'all. It's touchscreen. Everything's touchscreen. You got the menu. All of that good stuff. You got the menu. All of that good stuff here. Radio. All your buttons. Home button. Phone button. So you can connect all your phone and stuff to it. So all the heating controls right here. You know, it's got heated seats too, so it's 3 levels for the heated seats, all that good stuff. And then too, so you got the aux cord, the USB, all that good stuff in there. Park, reverse, neutral, drive. You do have to hit the brake and push in the button to put it into gear. So it's got 2 different drive modes. It's got eco and sport mode. It also has I can't remember what this is called, but it controls the car going downhill. It has 4-wheel lock. I don't know what this is either. I think this is the parking assistance, so if you don't bump into anything while you're reversing, yep, it's a parking assistance button. So got storage room in here, low storage room cubby here for quarters and good stuff like that. You got glove box here, another one here, more storage room in there. And then let's check under the hood real quick, because this is the turbo model. So boom, hit that like so. Let's see. Oh, it is heavy. So let me see, put that up like that. Boom. Okay. So there goes the 1.6 turbo. 1.6 turbo. I don't know how much horsepower. Y'all can pretty much look that up. But here's the turbo right here. Real small turbo. It's nothing crazy. Just a small turbo. Probably like 100 and I think it was 172 horses. Don't give me, you know, don't quote me because I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's 172 horses or something like that. Trunk real quick. Now automatic lift gate. All you gotta do is have a key fob. Boom, you hold it. Trunk opens like so. Real easy. Real convenient. You don't have to physically, if you got bags and stuff, you don't have to open it, use extra hands. So car mats, it is a 2018, so all the car mats and stuff still in the plastic, all that good stuff. Now you got your Spare tire down there as usual. Any SUV gotta have a spare tire. So there's a button to close it up here, just like that. Closes. The back seats, let's jump in the back, see how much room we got in the back seats. Damn, babe, the back seat's pretty spacious though. Oh, they lean. Okay, these seats lean. Hey,
yeah, all of these though.
Hey, yo, these nice. I like the seats. Now it's got the panoramic roof too, so, which is really nice. I didn't know, you know, Hyundai put a nice little panoramic in their SUV. So the whole screen comes back. This is the sunroof part that opens up right here. So that's it, man. We gotta go on a drive. I'ma let my girl hold the camera while we take a drive, y'all. She don't want to be seen. Don't worry about it. I edit that part out.
You can leave it in there.
I do gotta look up on Google how much. Oh, 175 horsepower. That's what it is. Let me see it real quick, babe. So it's a brand new 2018. When you buy any Hyundai, 5 years, 60,000 mile warranty, 10-year powertrain warranty. Like Hyundai has the best warranty you can get. So, this is a 1.6 liter turbo, 175 horsepower. It comes with the 19-inch wheels that we talked about. It has the 7-inch touchscreen. What else comes with this one? And that's pretty much it. The smart stuff it has as well. So base price is $27,950. With all the features, you got $29,390. So it's not bad for what you're getting. I think the only thing this one is missing is the heated seats and the leather seats, and it's missing the Infinity sound system. So that's the only thing that's missing. We're about to go on the drive real quick. Oh, the camera, baby.
I don't see nothing.
Just tap the screen. It's gonna go away. I think it saves the power. So
Put my seatbelt on.
yeah, put your seatbelt on. So y'all know I usually don't drive in the regular mode. I just put it in sport mode. Let's see real quick. So when you put it in sport mode, you'll see the little orange sport come up right here. The only other mode it has is eco mode. That's pretty much it. But all right, let's take this drive real quick. What this doesn't have, I wish that it did have, is the heated steering wheel. It don't got a heated steering wheel, so it's pretty cold right now. I don't like that. I do need a heated steering wheel too, but it says turbo, so. 175 horses ain't that much, so. It's pretty slow, but. Again, you don't buy this for the speed or the power, but it's not bad. Average family would be all right in this. I do like the sport mode though. It's pretty responsive. It holds the gears, you know, from 3 to 4. It holds the gears pretty long. Normal mode, they'll switch. You'll be from 30 miles an hour plus. You'll be down into 5th, 6th gear already. But sport mode, it holds the gears. Dang, this one drive way better than the other one. I think it's just the turbo. That's all it is. It's a turbo. That's the only difference. It's a turbo. I don't know what that little key is. Oh man, I like it though.
I got like a little noise to it.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth too. It just wanna, every time you push on a pedal, it just wanna go. Like I'm barely touching it. It's just, watch it change. It's ready to change. See? I don't know, man. I like it. It's not all that. It's not fancy, no. It's not all that. It's not fancy, but you know, it's a Hyundai. It's 2018. It's an SUV, so. You're getting it more for safety, honestly. And Hyundai's pretty good with their safety. So, I just wish this steering wheel was heated. That's all that's really missing. even without the audio system, the factory system that they got in here now still sounds pretty good. It's pretty loud. It's missing some bass, but other than that, it sounds pretty good. Wow, man, they don't really got the heated steering wheel. I can't get over that. Or do they? No, they don't. Only heated seats. Wow, that's crazy. I guess the panoramic roof made up for it. I like that roof.
How you do it?
So you can have it halfway open, or you can have it all the way. You just push it. It's automatic, so all you gotta do is push it once and it'll automatically close. Or it's automatic to open too, so you can automatic and it'll open the whole shade and the sunroof. Look at that. That's super nice. Yo! Good thing it ain't raining or snowing, but that's nice though. And usually the sunroof is only about like to here. And that's pretty far how much it opens up, so that's a nice addition to a little SUV. And then to close it, just automatic, just push it all the way forward. There you go. That's it. Damn, whole bumper missing. That's yo, it's my whole bumper missing. That's crazy. So we almost back to the dealer, man. Hope y'all like this review. I mean, it's a basic, you know, a basic SUV. Pretty much anything you're gonna get with an SUV. You got the safety. You got a little bit of horsepower in there. Turbo. It's only 175, but it feels like it's a lot more with the turbo. Turbo kick in about 1,500 to 2,000 range. So that's it, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Oh, I'm sorry. I know today was supposed to be Dyno Day, but I had my son, so I rescheduled for next Wednesday. We're gonna do it next Wednesday. So 2 o'clock. So I'll be doing the dyno next Wednesday. I just had to find a babysitter because my babysitter was busy. So no biggie. We'll just do it next Wednesday. This one
have a little more oomph for you?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely way more. Yep, definitely way more. Make sure you subscribe, man, to the channel. We got a ton of more reviews coming. I'm sorry again about the dyno. My son always comes first, so I didn't have a babysitter, so I had to keep my son. I ended up still going up there, believe it or not. I went up there anyway just to talk with him and see what was going on. And my son, he just would not stay still, so I couldn't do the review. But I just want to give you one more look at this. The Tucson 2018. This is the what model is this? This is the all-wheel drive value model. Comes with everything pretty much besides the leather seats, and I can't remember what the last option was. Oh, the premium sound system. So if you guys are looking at any Hyundai, please come see my guy Robert at Vision Hyundai in Henrietta, man. Cool dude, man. He let us drive 2 or 3 cars. He's pretty straightforward, man. You know, he's a family man, so he understands if you're in the need. He's got pretty good deals. He's straightforward with the prices. He doesn't, you know, he doesn't bullshit you around. He's straightforward with the prices. So again, I'm gonna have his name and his phone number and all that stuff pop up in the link right now below. I mean, in the video right now below, and it's going to be down in the description. So remember, his name is Robert. He's at Vision Hyundai Henrietta. That's his phone number right now, 585-490-4590. Come check him out. Tell him MoparMayne sent you. He'll give you, I'm pretty sure he'll hook you up on a car, man. He'll let you, they let you test drive, you know, by yourself, so you don't gotta be bothered. I know you got some people who scared and get nervous with people driving with them. So and today was my first time doing a video with my girl, so she was kind of shy. She didn't want to be in the video, but that was her talking behind the camera. That was my camera girl today. So that's it for y'all today, man. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. I'm out. Peace.